Hello, my loving kids. I hope everyone is fit and fine at your home, my loving kids. Okay, beta. Yes, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the next topic, which is related to your number names as well as the numeral form. These two topics we will discuss today. Okay, number name in the sense we will talk about that the word form that you had done in your previous classes also, as you had done it in your second class as well in third class, and this is just about that the numeral form, and this form is also you had done in your second class and in third class also. So okay, before starting this, firstly we were going to discuss about the number name. Okay, so before writing that the number name in the sense word form that you know very well, means firstly you should know about that the places. Whenever you are going to write the number name, you should be know about the places. So firstly write that the places: ones, then tens, afterwards hundreds, thousands, then 10,000s, and then lakh. This you had done in your in previous lecture also regarding the places after lakh, 10 lakh, crore, and then 10 crore. So firstly you should write ones, then tens, afterwards hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and then lakh. And according to the periods you may put that the comma, then it will be easy for you to write the word form, or we can say that number name. So firstly here which number you can see? You can see here 2, and the place is what? That is your lakh. So what we will write? We will write 2 lakh upside the places. Firstly number, then place. Numbers, place. Numbers, place. Like this only. 2 lakh. Then 3, 4. This is the ones period, 1000 period. So you have to take it togetherly. Okay, because already we had written that the comma also. So according to the period you have to go with togetherly. 3, 4 becomes 34. 34,000. 2 lakh. 34,000. So we will write it 34 and then 1000. Okay, so 2 lakh 34,000, and then here you can see 5, and then upside which place? 100. So afterwards 500. Okay, then 6, 7 you have to take it togetherly. As always we are taking ones, tens togetherly. So this is here 67. Okay, so ultimately what is your word form? That will be 2,34,567. Means this you have to take it togetherly. Okay, next with the one more example, it will clear to you, beta. So here you can see, first before writing that the word form, firstly you should write that the places: ones, tens, hundreds, then thousands, 10,000s, and lakh. So according to that, here you can see 1, then place lakh, then number 0, 2 becomes 2, and the period is according to that 10,000, means period is of your thousands. 2,000, then 500. This you have to take it single as 100, 500, and 3, 4 becomes ones, tens, take it togetherly 34. So how we will write? 1 lakh. 1 in English alphabetically 1 lakh. Then 0, 2 becomes here 2, and then thousands, then 500. Then 3, 4 becomes here 34. Okay, 1 lakh, 2,500, 3, 4 becomes here 34. Clear? So here you can see one more example, then it will more clear to you. 25 lakh 150. So means firstly before writing that the word form, firstly you should write the places. So here you can see ones, then tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, and 10 lakh. This is one period, lakh and the 10 lakh. This is the ones period, lakh period. This is thousand period, and this is ones period, as you know. So 2 5 becomes your 25 lakh according to the period, means places lakh and 10 lakh togetherly period is 25 lakh. So 25 lakh. Then you can see here zeros are there, means no number is there, so that means no need to go with that this place thousands, because already zeros are there. So then what we will write it here, so no need to write anything, then directly go to the next one. 100 we have to take 25 lakh 100, then 50 becomes here 50, it becomes here 50, 25 lakh 150. Got it, beta? Okay. Next come to that the numeral form. So here you can see numeral form means now you have that the word form or the number name, means opposite you have to write it. So before writing that the numeral form, you should write the places. So which places you will write? Firstly write ones, then tens, hundreds, thousand. Means how's you know up to where you have to write it? Means here you can see 35,000. Means 1000 is there, highest place is your 1000, so you have to write it up to that the 1000. Then how's you know about that? You have to write it up to the 1000 only, or you have to write it up to the 10,000 place. Sorry. So here you can see whenever like this place will be there, means tens position will be there 10,000, 30, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70 like that. Here is you can see 30 is there, means 10,000 place is also there. So you have to write it up to that the highest place, that is your 10,000. So here you can see 35,000. So 1000 is there, 35 means 1000 के डाउन से क्या पहले क्या फर्स्टली क्या है आपके पास 35. So here you will write 35. Then 600, 100 place downside what you will write 600. Then 72. So here you may write it 72. Okay, 72 like this you may write it. Okay, 2 becomes here 72. Means if you will not write the places, definitely my children you will do that the wrong. So before writing the numeral form, firstly you should write that the places, because if you will write the places then only your answers will become correct, otherwise definitely there will be the more chances of the mistake. Okay, so one more example is there. Here you can see 3 lakh. So now how's you know up to where you have to write? 3 is there only, not at the tens, means 20, 30, 40. So up to lakh only we will write. So ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000 and lakh. So can we start to be write 3 lakh? So lakh place downside you have to write it 3 lakh. Then 89,000. 89,000. Here you can write it 89,000. Okay, then 400. 100 downside you have to write it 400. Then 52. So here you have to write it 52. 52 becomes your 52. Clear? Got it everyone? Next here you can see 23 lakh. Lakh place, so we have to write it up to the lakh. But lakh, only the lakh you have to write it, or up to the 10 lakh. So here you can see 20 means tens place is also there like that. Tens, 20, 30, 40, 50. So we will write it up to that 10 lakh. So can we start to be right? Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh and 10 lakh. So can we start to be right? 23 lakh. So 23 lakh. 23 lakh. Lakh place finish, cut. Then 50,000. 50 is your 50. 50,000. 1000 place done, finish. Then 70. Only 70. And here you can see 100 place is not there. 100 place is missing. So at the place of 100 we will write it 0. Then 70 only, so here you can write it 70. 70. I hope it's clear to you, my loving kids. This much examples are sufficient for you, I think so. And now listen the homework. Your homework is you have to be tried to be solved question number 7th, 8th of exercise 1.1 on your maths notebooks. Okay, try to be solved these kind of the questions. Okay, beta. So take care and have a good day. And I hope as soon as possible we will meet.